Hey everyone, let me ask you something. Is your computer running slower than a Monday morning? We've all been there. Apps taking forever to load, random freezes, and that dreaded spinning wheel of doom. But before you start shopping for a new PC, I've got some good news for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to make your computer fast again using free tools that are super easy to use. These tools will clean up your system, protect it from threats, and have it running like it's brand new. All links are in the description below this video, so you can test them yourself. You don't need to be a tech wizard to use these tools. They're designed for everyone. Alright, first things first. Let's make sure your computer is protected and running smoothly. A lot of the time, a slow PC can be caused by hidden malware or viruses hogging your system's resources. That's where Bitdefender Free Edition comes in. Download Bitdefender Free Edition, link in the description. Once installed, it runs quietly in the background, providing real-time protection against malware, ransomware, and other threats. You can also run a full system scan to detect and remove anything that's slowing your computer down. What I love about Bitdefender is that it's lightweight, so it won't slow down your system while keeping you safe. It's like having a security guard for your PC that works 24/7 without taking a break. With Bitdefender, you can rest assured that your system is always protected. Now that we've got your system protected, let's clean up all the junk files that are taking up space and slowing things down. For this, we're using CCleaner, a classic tool that's been around forever, and for good reason. Download CCleaner from their official website, link in the description. Once installed, open it up and click on Custom Clean. This scans your computer for temporary files, browser cache, and other unnecessary clutter. Hit Run Cleaner, and just like that, you've freed up valuable space on your hard drive. It's quick, it's easy, and you'll notice an immediate difference in performance. Plus, who doesn't love a little extra storage space? Alright, so Bitdefender has your real-time protection covered, but sometimes you need a second opinion to catch anything that might have slipped through the cracks. That's where Malwarebytes comes in. Download the free version of Malwarebytes, link in the description. Run a threat scan to detect and remove any malicious software hiding in your system. Once the scan is complete, quarantine or delete anything it finds. Think of Malwarebytes as your backup plan. It's always good to have an extra layer of security, especially when it's this easy to use. Now, let's talk about startup programs. You know how your computer takes forever to boot up? That's usually because a bunch of unnecessary programs are launching in the background. For this, we're using a free tool called AutoRuns. Download it from the Microsoft website. Link in the description. Open AutoRuns and you'll see a list of all the programs that launch when your computer starts. Turn off anything you don't need by unchecking the box next to it. Be cautious not to turn off essential system processes. This simple step can shave minutes off your startup time. And trust me, you'll feel the difference the next time you turn on your PC. Finally, let's give your computer a complete tune-up with advanced system care. Download the free version, link in the description. Open the app and run a smart scan. This tool cleans up junk files, fixes registry errors, and even optimizes your internet connection. Once the scan is complete, click Fix to apply all the optimizations. It's like giving your PC a spa day. It'll feel refreshed, faster, and ready to handle whatever you throw at it. These 5 free tools will make your computer fast again. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon for more tech tips. Oh, and before you go, check out our next video where I'll show you how to download Adobe Photoshop for free. Click the link on the screen or in the description to watch now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.